Yeah. Here we go. We're leading out. There's the other boat. Other two boats heading out the channel. We're just now starting up. Here's the diesels. Here's Marshall. All set and ready to go. Full boat this morning. Got some ladies on the boat too this morning. There go the other two boats heading out the channel. They got him up there. They must have him if he ready to go. Oh, there it is. We're backing up now. This is the drawbridge right here. We stayed on the other side. It's where the Clinton Reef Club is on the other side of that bridge to the right, about a mile. There's the Jet Express right there.
You ready to fish? Huh? You ready to fish? Oh yeah, we're getting focused. This game very focused on our bait. You cut that right.